Hey friends, if you encounter issues with the wireless adapter on your computer, then please watch this video. So first of all, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window and type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Now, if let's say this is disabled, I'll actually disable one and then show you. Then right click on it and enable it. So once it is enabled, we have two options. One is that either you'll get a green mark here. In that case, the adapter is all fine. And the other one is that you'll get a red mark here. So if you have a red mark, then it doesn't exist. For example, the Ethernet port does not even exist on my system. So there is no Ethernet adapter. I just have a wireless adapter that is inside my computer. Now, if you face issues even despite the network connection showing green here, then right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, and in the right pane scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. Okay, this is one thing. And the next one is to reset the network. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced network settings in the right pane. Select reset network and then click on reset now, and finally click on yes to reset it. This is one thing. Then if this doesn't work either, it means that the network adapter has gone bad. So for the wireless network adapter, which is common these days, go to amazon.com or any other website of your choice. Okay, and then you can type these characters here. Maybe you might not even get them. Okay, and then search for wireless network adapter. Okay, and then download this option, the one that looks like a USB small adapter. Don't download the bigger ones, don't download these ones, just the smaller ones. You'll get it for less than $20, and then use it on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.